what would you do for your mom? What decision would you make around that? And we use that as a tool to make right decisions.
It's important for me to carry the same values when I go to a home, to make sure I treat it like that. This is my mom. I'm taking care of my mom. And that's how I want them to feel when I go into the home.
We send out a picture of the technician to the customer prior. They have ID badges, they're in matching uniforms, so the customer already gets the consistency of the experience, and then the technician adds to that by being a Dutton technician, coming there with his heart first, taking care of the customer first.
So we treat each other with the same kind of courtesy, respect, and desire to help each other out. And so it bleeds over into our relationships with our customers.
Knowing that you're there to help customers, knowing that that's top of mind, that just translates out to doing things differently, doing things at a higher level, doing things better.